Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers to my channel, Faisal Azib. I hope that you are aware. Today I will show you where you can get a lot of free video that you can use in your own video. And you can put them, of course, in the background that I have shown you in the intro. And also, for example, this video I have created code about change. I use this video. It's free, 100% free, with no problem. So, where you can get this video? There are a lot of websites. For this, I will give you the link in my website, link share. There you can find a lot of them. Okay, here is the list, big list, and I have tried to put only the best, okay, with good quality, and also without any problem with copyright. It's very, very important. Why? Because in some website, if you don't read very, very well the contract of the owner of the video, you can get strike in YouTube. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Read very, very well. Okay, what the website give you. I will show you this now. What you can do is, for example, the first website that I use a lot of time is Pixabay. Okay, Pixabay is very, very big website about free stock photo and free stock video. You can get a lot of them. But for video, listen very well. Put the name or in the search bar in French. You get a lot of results in French than in English. And if you don't know what is the French word that you want to search, just go to any translator. You get it. It's available. No problem for this. Okay. So, for example, I will search in Pixabay the name nature. Here, not in image. I will come back. Or maybe you get an error. I will show you how to change the only video. I choose video. Okay. And I get a lot of them. So just click what you want. For example, this one. And here, read very, very well the lessons. Okay. As you can see here, you see it's free for commercial use. Also, no attribution required. It means if you have any project for commercial purpose, you can use this video. Okay? Also, if you put it in any website, in your own website or in YouTube, you don't need to put the owner of this video. Okay? The attribution isn't required. What does it mean? So this website is very big. You have a lot of video inside it. But search in France, please. So that's the first website. Maybe you can, if you access to the Pixabay, here you search, for example, nature. And here I choose image. Okay? You have made a mistake. No problem. Just go here in this menu and choose video, and you get the same result. Okay, so it's the first website. I recommend you also to click in save search to get only the good video. Okay, so you have a lot of them here. The second website is Pixels. Here you can search in English, no problem. You don't need to search in French. Search normally in English. So there are a lot of video here with a good quality. For example, I will choose this one and always read the lessons. Okay, where is the lessons here? Can we see the lessons or no? No, there is no lessons. Or you can see here in info. As you can see, you have free to use and also no attribution required. Use it where you want. Okay, you don't need to write the order. For example, you don't need, if you use it to the YouTube, you don't need to write it's the owner is Victoria B, and also you have get from pixels.com, etc. Okay, so Also, you can choose the resolution as Pixabay. So sorry, I will come back to the Pixabay because I don't show you something. If you choose the video here, you have a lot of resolution. It's very important. Why I use a lot of this website? It's my best website about free stock video. So we have a lot of opportunities. At least there are 3. At least, okay. But here, as you can see, you have only 1 resolution. No problem. But it's also one big site where you can find a good video. The third is this one, lifeofvids.com. Okay, so just here also the same thing, nature, and here this website. When I compare this website to Pexels and Pixabay, there are not a lot of results. For example, if I search, for example, same example, if you search for the mountain, in Pixabay you get 10,000, same thing in Pexels, and here I can get 1,000. Okay, the number of results of the variety is more in Pixabay and Pexels than in this one, but it's a very, very good website also. So just click what you want, or directly here, download, and you will get also here a resolution. That's what I use at this website also. Okay, I don't know where is the license. Let's see if there is a license. Where is the license? Here we can see the license, so no problem. Okay, we don't have a license about this video, so use it without problem. Okay, if you don't found from these 3 websites, Pixabay, Pexels, and Life of Vids, there are a lot of them here. Tipstai, VDZ, Videvo, etc., etc. You don't have, you can't escape. You don't tell me I don't have the choice. So you have the choice, a lot of choice. Okay, choose what you want. Choose the resolution what you want. You have the time, and make a good video also as what you want. Okay, I hope this 3 website or this website will help you to create a beautiful video for business purpose or personal purpose or educational, what you want. As me, I create them only for educational. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And inshallah, I will share another small video until I will create new course. Also, I don't talk about topic where I start from beginners to advanced, inshallah. Okay, I see you inshallah for next video. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.